Tech brand new channel. If you are new, go subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can watch more videos like this. If you are already a subscriber and you watched my previous video, you can notice I have released a video about Dell Inspiron 5593 laptop. In that video, I was telling in the laptop we can see a CD or DVD ROM. So I bought one because I need some setups to run in my laptop, and those are in DVDs. So I need one. So I bought from Transcend, and let's see how this DVD ROM look likes, and the speed, and what for what operating system this is compatible, and hardware compatibles, and other stuff. Then let's go to video. Okay, this is bought from Transcend. You know that they were selling hard disks, SSDs, and microchips, lots of things. This is a slim portable DVD writer. They call like this, and this is USB powered, and there are some instructions. You can learn about more about this by scanning this QR code. You can see here, and there is telling that you can watch movie using this, listen to music using this. You can burn disk. This is not burning. It's telling that we call writing a CD. That's called that burning, and install softwares using this. So let's go to inside. Okay, this is the DVD ROM. This is so tiny, and let's see what's inside. The wire and paperwork, and about their memory cards, and about external storage and solid state drives, SSDs. Okay, let's keep them aside. And this is the CD-ROM, you can see, and this is the wire they gave. They warning that please only to use this wire. There are lots of cables like this, and they can't share data between this. Only they share the power. So if you need a long wire, please tell the person in the shop that you need the data and power shareable wire. Then there are no setups for run this DVD ROM. Only you need to do is connect this USB port to the laptop, and other side to the DVD ROM. Automatically the PC recognize this is a DVD ROM, and you can use it usually. It's so easy to connect this, and okay, if you like this video, gives me a thumbs up. Are there any questions in the comment section? And if your friend like this video, or if you like to share this video, go click the share button and share this. Then I'll catch up your next video. Peace.